Welcome to JL Johnny's Jeep Life. Today we're replacing a step that I damaged when I was out on a trail. Join me. So I was out on a trail last week, and this is the video footage of me wrecking my steps. And this is the outcome of hitting that stump. It's supposed to be straight out when you come to this one, and it's a little bit bent, but this one you can really see it. So I went out and got myself a set of replacements. We're going to install these right now. Here's the difference of the two. So already fixed up. Not a big deal. It was just an oversight, and I'm supposed to take those steps off when I go off-roading, and I just simply forgot. Honestly, I thought that was more for rock crawling and not trailing, but obviously you can hit some stuff that's in the way in the path, and that has proven it. So I know better for next time. Well, thank you for joining me here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I always appreciate you guys coming out. And until next time, guys, keep the rubber side down. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks again.